What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be explaining of how I built some of the
Gazebo.
Gazebo.
Who's building it?
Uncle Ty and Daddy.
And you took a bunch of plastic off. Look at all these pieces, eh?
I took off some of that and some of those over there.
And you're just here in case they need an extra hand?
Yep. So is the camera one and Lucas.
Say hi, Lucas.
Hi. What's up, guys?
So will you update later on the progress, or
Hell yeah.
you got more to say right now?
Thanks for Raid Shadow Legends for sponsoring this video.
That's it?
Yep. What's up, guys? Today we have
Gazebo.
a gazebo.
Where'd it go? Day
Right
2.
here.
It's finished.
Almost. Still a couple screws that need to get tightened.
And then the curtains and the screens.
And then the curtains and then the screens, and I can stay here forever.
Forever?
And I'm gonna live here.
You're going to live here with no plug for your iPad?
I'm kidding.
Now you gotta get
You got anything else you want to say for your video?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
I also want to say hi to you
She's
too.
asleep. Mom can judge it. Where she would want it.
I think she said